Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we 3D printed this awesome Makerbot T-Rex skull. Let's check it out. So this model was printed on my Creality CR10 in some milky white PLA from Ziltech. This particular model was printed at 150% scale, and I used about 15% infill. This model was printed in 4 pieces. You had the bottom jaw, then you had the top of the skull, the rod that holds the model upright, and the model's base. This model came out great. I absolutely love the look of it, and I've wanted to print this T-Rex skull for a long time. Even though this model looks amazing by itself, I definitely want to 3D print the full skeleton from Makerbot in the near future, so look out for that video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.